Hello everyone, welcome to my another vlog. This is Bidhan Rai. So in my previous vlog, the famous restaurant Nurgo ko हामीले देखाएको थियौं, मैले देखाएको थिएँ. So आज चाहिँ it's a special day for me as a weekend पनि हो, Saturday हो. So here is my mama. Hello mama.
Hi. Hello guys.
So he's Pravinam Taitimas अनि उहाँ चाहिँ मेरो मामा हुनुहुन्छ. So आज चाहिँ हामी I don't know, we are going somewhere special place.
We are going to one restaurant. So that's my friend. And he's that restaurant is particularly famous for Korean and Thai and Japanese. So
by the way, what's the name of that place?
The place is Nanking Restaurant.
Nanking or
Nanking? King, yeah.
Okay.
So it's in fact it's a Kirat word, or we call the Rai word, which means Nanking is the name of the king, in fact.
Oh, okay. So this is I'm exploring a lot of eateries there in Darjeeling, restaurants. So मजा लाग्दैछ. So आज हाम्रो आमासँग. So start गर्ने. Okay. So we are moving now. So हामी the restaurant मा भेट्छौँ है. So I was talking about this last time. Capitol Hall and the Tower एकदमै मजाको शहरको यो बीचमा यहाँनेर अवस्थित छ. So यहाँनेर चाहिँ हाम्रो मामाले पार्क गरिरहनु भएको छ his bike, and now we are moving. Shall we move? Shall we go? Or is it? Oh, thinking.
Is there? Maybe inside now. Maybe inside.
Ooh, okay.
It's quite dark, but once you go inside.
So finally we are here at Nanking Restaurant.
Yeah.
So is it Rai? Is it related to Rai culture or something like that? Ani so हाम्रो मामा हुनुहुन्छ. So mama say he is very familiar.
Yes.
So I will over to you.
Yeah, in fact, like when the restaurant started with the name Nanking, Nanking is a
Kirat word, is it?
it's a Kirat word, and it represents the king. Okay, so it was named after my friend Nanking himself. So he's out of for some reason he's out now, but we have her partner, like his partner, Miss Priyanka out here.
Hello.
She's the cook, and she cooks wala delicious. And is Laden?
There's Laden here.
So Laden here, Laden. I want you. Yeah, come. So is Laden? Okay, he's working right now, but he cooks also very well. And today he will be, I think, giving us sushi. I guess sushi. I want sushi. I know without wasabi it's okay, but I want sushi. Okay. And this restaurant is normally famous for the Korean cuisine, Japanese, and even the local Italian.
So by the way, how did you come up with this concept?
Actually, I used to work in abroad.
So finally the business start गर्नु भएको तपाईहरुलाई.
यो चाहिँ भयो 2016.
16 means it's almost 5 years now.
5 years.
So कस्तो लागिरहेको छ तपाईलाई? दार्जिलिङले कस्तो रियाक्ट गरिराखेको छ तपाईँको रेस्टुरेन्टमा
हामीलाई त के भन्दाखेरि अब आफ्नै जग्गामा आफ्नै काम गर्नु अब त्यसमा चाहिँ एकदमै
It's a privilege.
happy छौँ,
It's a privilege.
है, खुसी छौँ
अच्छा।
अन्त अरू कुरो भन्दाखेरि बाहिरबाट सिकेको कन्सेप्टहरू हामीले यहाँ प्रोभाइड गर्नु पाउँदा मान्छेहरूलाई अब इन्ट्रोड्युस आफ्नो प्रडक्ट्सहरू आफ्नो नलेजहरूलाई अब एउटा सेयर गर्नु पाउँदा चाहिँ अब त्यो चाहिँ अलिक हामीलाई राम्रो लाग्छ
I haven't tried anything. तपाईँले भनेको जुनै पनि डिस पनि मैले ट्राई गरेको छैन क्या
Actually, biryani, buttermilk and all that.
म जान्छु होला
बस्नु एकछिन
होइन म आइएम अल वेट कि
किन त एकछिन त बस्नु
म बस्दिनँ भाइ के बस्छु
खोल्नु न अन्त
खोल्दिनँ म
किन सब ए भएको छ क्या
टाउकोबाट छिर्दैछ
बाल भएको छ क्या कपाल सबै
मैले कपाल देखिस् तँ डिप्रेसनमा जान्छस् नि तेरो कपाल देखेर
यति साह्रो महिना होला क्या So I'm going to show you very handsome man but quite old now
Quite old?
very handsome but quite old now
यसले मेरो राम्रो देखेन होला
So this is Nanking's menu. So I'm going to open it. So for breakfast, the Indian cuisine is there, and the Korean. If you are foodie and if you want to try Korean, the Japanese. Maybe I cannot read some of the dishes here. And we have so continental cuisine. Soups are available, hot beverages. So what is the most famous one?
हाम्रो त यो बेसी कोरियन अनि कन्टिनेन्टल
हजुर हजुर हजुर
त्यो चाइनिज त रेगुलर
Okay.
Is for like Korean chicken.
Korean chicken?
Yeah, wings.
Okay.
Have you tried that?
No.
Korean chicken wings.
I haven't. Kangpungi. What? How does it pronounce? Kangpungi. Kangpungi. Kambap. Kimbap. Okay. Kimchi.
kimchi fried rice
Okay. And the Japanese one?
Where's kimbap?
Nigiri.
nigiri sushi
Where's kimbap?
And maki sushi. Maki.
sushi,
Okay. So gyogya. Yaki gyozya. Yaki gyozya. Oh. So यो सब डिसेसहरू चाहिँ तपाईँले उता के चाहिँ सिङ्गापुरमा हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ डेली जस्तो बनाउनुहुन्थ्यो
मोस्टली यो चाहिँ मेरो यहाँ लाद्नु सेक्सलाई इन्ट्रोड्युस गरेको
हजुर
बाँकी चाहिँ यो सबै मेरै
ओ वाबैको मेन
So I should be trying one from Korean, one from Japanese. Which one should I try?
We have already ordered some, right?
We have ordered
सुशी भयो तपाईँको जापानिज अनि
kimbap. Let's go for kimbap.
किम्बाप भन्छ किम्बाप र यो सिमिलरै हुन्छ तर यसमा चाहिँ राइसको डिफ्रेन्सेस
So shall we go with the Korean wings then? Mathura चाहिँ.
हजुर
The not so
किम्बाप
hot.
ट्राई गर्नुहोस् न
Sushi we have already ordered. Okay.
कोरियन विङ्स गर्नुहोस्
But not so hot. Can you eat
मेरो स्पाइसी
hot?
Not that hot.
Work from home.
Hot
Everything
It's been almost 2 years, right?
2 years.
अब I think, what do you think? अब चाहिँ खोल्नै पर्छ है
No, that depends like how people are reacting to it. The factor now is not like if there is corona or no corona. The factor is if we are interested going out or not. That has become seriously. Like, people are aware of the fact that like the corona is still lurking around, but then I mean they're cool. Like if they want to go out, it's cool. So
what is one thing that has been changed in your schedule within these 2 years?
It's not about the schedule, but then the fact that we have to use online thing, such
Maybe
as
people have
internet
become-
connections. No, that internet connection has become the factor because everything
our
now, everything depends upon the internet connections and the place where your home is located. Okay, so if you are in the proper, your house is somewhere where there is proper internet, it's good for them. But then there are so many people who are suffering because their house is located in such place where there is like the internet factor.
No internet access.
Yeah, that has become the real factor, I guess. No? Yeah, it's not like we can't be naive right now because you know, like it's not about being naive, it's about being rational right now. Rationalism is the first thing that has to come right now. So you can't be naive or emotional like that. This incident has to be open. You can't say like that, no, because like the fact that the corona is still lurking around and people are aware of it yet being ignorant.
Yeah.
So that has been.
So well, we moved into a very serious topic. So
Everybody's actually serious, right?
so as the tempting food smell is coming
Let's do
continuously
this.
to-
Let's food
This
first.
is what we call the Korean chicken wings.
Okay.
This is Korean cuisine, I guess.
Korean chicken wings, right?
Korean chicken wings. So it's a Korean dish cuisine.
Everything, whatever he has said, like it's all new for me.
Yeah,
Well, I haven't tried it.
So that's what I thought that.
It's a bit spicy also, but not that hot.
Malayan, I told them to not to put whatever it's there in sauce.
It's properly cooked. Is a little crispy also. And so this is sushi.
Sushi. Yeah. And it's a Japanese cuisine.
Japanese cuisine. So
And the
I'm
rule- and the rule for this Japanese cuisine is that you have to use this.
chopstick. Okay. And I'm really excited to eat this up.
I hope this is your first
Yeah, this is my first experience.
session.
So this is radish, right? So radish.
Soaked in vinegar. Couple of months, yeah. And some edible color.
Let me try this with soy sauce. Ginger,
Yeah.
the taste of ginger is there.
Mm-hmm.
Radish is there.
Good.
It's nice. It's refreshing, juicy also.
Yeah.
मजा आयो. So finally so restaurant ma we tried 3 things. So ekdamai delicious. It was delicious. So first we tried Korean chicken, and then the lemon honey tea, and then the last one was the sushi. I think that was the first time first time sushi खाएको, and ekdam mito लाग्यो. So this restaurant is very famous in Darjeeling, but as I don't live in Darjeeling, this was my first visit. So he is the proprietor, founder of this Nanking Restaurant. Welcome, sir. तपाईँको नाम बताइदिनुहोस् न.
मेरो नाम चाहिँ Nanking Rai.
Okay, so basically your restaurant is named after you only.
Yeah.
Achha.
So like I have added G at the end.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, my name is without Z
Okay.
at the end.
Okay.
I have added G.
So apart from the Nanking Restaurant, so they also run this bakery out here. So your bakery भित्र पनि हामी जानेछौँ. So let's see के छ. Okay, so bread racer for the timing. So your queue. Burgers. Okay. And here pastries, cupcakes.
And actually, like, I'm really fond of this.
Which one?
In Darjeeling, that we normally say it's a sandwich bread, no?
Okay.
But this should be the size of the sandwich bread.
Oh, it is larger than
yeah.
the normal one.
This is sandwich bread and this is a normal bread.
Ah.
But most of the time in Darjeeling, they sell this.
So why is it like SKK or
Yes, she is the perfect guy.
यसको त हामी मजाले स्यान्डविच बनाउँछ.
हजुर हजुर. So large sandwich हुन्छ
हजुर,
त्यसको चाहिँ.
क्लब
Okay.
स्यान्डविच भन्छ यसलाई चाहिँ.
Club
यो
sandwich.
चाहिँ नर्मल हो, जस्तै अब ब्रेकफास्टमा भयो है.
हजुर
यो
हजुर.
चाहिँ प्रायः जस्तो रेस्टुरेन्ट्समा चाहिँ हामी यो सर्भ
Supply गर्नुहुन्छ. So that's great. खुसी लाग्यो मजाको. Bakery plus restaurant. Okay. यो चाहिँ तपाईहरुको
कोकोनट बिस्कुट
coconut biscuit special.